Hello, calculus fans. All right, we're going to talk about alternating series now. An alternating series, well, it's kind of right in the name. The terms are alternately positive and negative. Let's give some examples of alternating series. Here's an alternating series: 1, minus a half, plus a third, minus a fourth. So we're hopping back and forth between pluses and minuses. Here's another one: negative 1 over root 3, plus 1 over root 5, minus 1 over root 7, and so on. Each one of these I've rewritten in sigma notation. For the purposes of talking about an alternating series, it doesn't matter if you start off with a positive number or a negative number. Now, in the notation that we use going forward, I will sometimes write them so that we always start with a positive number, but that's really not necessary. So all the terms of an alternating series always satisfy a sub n equals minus 1 to the n b sub n, or a sub n equals minus 1 to the n minus 1 b sub n. So it sort of depends on if we want to start with a positive number or a negative number. And the b sub n's are going to be bigger than 0. Now this will be a common thing. We will often have to separate out the positive part of the alternating series, where you say, well, what if there weren't any minus signs? What would we have left? All right, we've got an alternating series test, which says that suppose that you have b sub n is bigger than or equal to 0, and you create an alternating series out of that. So here's our alternating series. Then you only need two things in order for this to be a convergent series. You need these b's to be decreasing and for them to go to 0. And if that happens, then the alternating series is convergent. And we'll talk in class about why this is true. Okay, that's all for now.